what legislation you've been working on related to domestic violence.
Well, I've been working on a number of pieces of legislation. It has been a very fruitful year for addressing the rights of victims in the State House. One of them is the Criminal Harassment Restraining Order bill. A loophole, I don't know if you'd call it a loophole, but the way the law was drafted was to address victims of domestic violence in relationships. So you had to have a significant dating relationship, have been married, have been living with someone, or be a family member in order to get this 209A restraining order that you could get at a district court right in your downtown. I've worked for 10 years now in order to pass this legislation, and this would allow someone to get sort of that same 209A protection that you could get at the district court, even if you haven't been in a dating or significant relationship or married or a family member. Well, I think with domestic violence, you have to catch it early, very early, not just in the spectrum, but in the age. And so that's why I think, while we're talking a lot about bullying in schools, another version of bullying is domestic violence and teen dating violence, which as many as 1 in 5 girls in Massachusetts have experienced teen dating violence in their relationship, and many expect that this is just normal in a relationship. And so what offends me when we're dealing with the issue of bullying, which is a very important issue, is that we forget about the issue of teen dating violence. Everyone likes to talk about bullying, everyone knows about bullying, but the fact is, in many cases, bullying, people can grow out of bullying, you can move on from bullying, and it can be very serious, but teen dating violence can have an effect of bullying being multiplied many times. And so I have presented a number of pieces of legislation with regard to teen dating violence, and I think we're very close to having one in which, much like bullying, the schools would actually have to sort of put in place a policy and disciplinary code with regard to teen dating violence,